So you want to make money with affiliate marketing, but you do not know where to start. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made money with affiliate marketing as a content creator, and I will show what I have personally done so that you can incorporate this into your content organically, and it comes at no cost. And I paid nothing to make these commissions, and it's all through organic content. And I did it all organically through TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. And to be honest, the most I've ever made with affiliate marketing was in 2022, and that was when I was promoting Webull, which is an investing app that I use for my Roth IRA. And at this time, there was an insane deal to get new people over to the app, and you want to keep this in mind for any product that you promote, because more people will click your affiliate link if they get something in return. So at this time for Webull, I would make content around it, and I would get $60 per referral that deposits at least 1 cent into their account. And I honestly got quite a bit of referrals because Webull was offering free stocks in exchange for signing up with an account. And I was just showing a bunch of tips on how to use Webull, how to start investing, and a lot of people were actually interested in it. And so this is where my affiliate marketing journey really begins. And I'm not going to claim I've made tens of thousands of dollars of doing this, but I have made $1,000 to $3,000 doing this as just a small content creator. So really anyone can do this if I can. And specifically with Webull, I made slightly over $1,000. And at this time, this was the best feeling ever because I'm just a small creator and people trusted what I had to say and they used my link to sign up. So that is something you want to keep in mind as a content creator with building trust within your organic content and just being true to yourself and promoting products that you actually enjoy and care about. But going into 2024 and 2025, the most consistent affiliate income I have had is through Gumroad. Over 1 year ago, I made a video on a caption plugin tool for Premiere Pro and it did pretty well. Since that video has been posted, I have earned $278 in revenue for doing absolutely nothing. And till this day, I still earn some affiliate income from that video. And also keep in mind, my channel isn't monetized at all, so I don't earn anything from AdSense yet. And you can actually be an affiliate to any product on Gumroad, which can be very helpful when deciding what kind of product you want to be an affiliate for. So the first step you want to do is you want to pick any product on Gumroad that you want to promote and you want to copy the product URL. Next, for step number 2, you want to go to the Gumroad dashboard, then select products, then Gumroad affiliate. For the third step, you want to paste your link into the affiliate link generator and then it will generate your own custom link. And for the last step, you can finally copy and paste your affiliate link and share it across your social media platforms. And if you want to check out Gumroad and what all you can be an affiliate for, I will have that link down below so you can check it out. Now, you're not going to make money right away with being an affiliate because building an audience first online is really important if you're wanting to make affiliate income on the side. But if you're watching this and you already have a small audience, then you can look at different digital products online that have to do with your niche. And if you see a product that you really want to promote, but you do not see an affiliate program on this company's website, then what you want to do is you want to email them and get in contact with their marketing department because that can really go a long way. And in this case, you can offer free promo videos and in exchange to have an affiliate link. And if the video does well, then this could turn into another opportunity which can lead to a potential sponsorship. And getting to that sponsorship level can be quite difficult to get to, but I have had that 1 to 2 times throughout my content creation journey. And finding companies that want to sponsor you that you are actually passionate about can be an incredible feeling as a content creator. And that is why I'm taking my long form content more serious on YouTube in 2025. And I have been uploading 1 long form video weekly. And I'm still staying consistent at it. And as I already said, I'm not monetized, but I'm already seeing great growth within my channel. So making long form content like this on YouTube is another way to build trust and can be another stream to make money through affiliate marketing. And honestly, with content that I've posted so far this year on my YouTube channel, I have earned some affiliate income as well. I have earned some commissions with Opus Pro and Sparvel, and these products have to do with video editing, which has somewhat to do with my channel, so these tools can be very beneficial to part of my audience. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I place these links on my social media to help promote? I personally recommend UpTribo, which can allow you to insert all your affiliate links in one place, which makes it an easy interface experience for your audience. And the best part, there is a free tier plan that you can use specifically for your link in bio. And this can be great for all of us small content creators because we do not have to worry about an additional piece of overhead with running our content. So if you want to check out UpTribo and create your own custom link in bio, then I will have it linked down below. With the reality of affiliate marketing, especially as a small content creator, do not expect to make a ton of money right away. What you really want to focus on is pushing out more organic content across your social medias and focus on content that you want to make. make. Over time, you can then promote anything you want on your social medias as you gain trust and build an audience. And then you can collect those affiliate commissions. If you want to see more of my content creation journey, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And I also have a free Discord community in the description below where we can all give free value to one another. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.